What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an upper body shoulder workout, so we're gonna head out, but first I gotta fill up my water bottle. Shout out to my niece for helping me record this footage. You guys don't have umbrella refillable, I would highly suggest it. Saves a lot of money. Alright. Let me see how it's looking. So like I said, we're going to be doing a shoulder workout. Right now I have acquired a couple of more weights. So I got some 35s and a 25, and then I have this new squat bar. Shout out, can you see me? Okay. Shout out to Joy, thank you so much for donating those to me. So we'll see what I can use for that. I'm probably gonna warm up on the bike a little bit because I just haven't done much cardio and it helps me get warmed up. And then we have our bench press over here. I'll do something with that. And then maybe a couple of free weight things, so you'll see me over there. But yeah, we're gonna start on the bike. I forgot my AirPods. Alright, you could stop it. Uh-oh, we got voiceover Micaiah coming in hot. So I just wanted to kind of explain a little bit of my shoulder workout. I start off with these shoulder presses. I do them backwards and forwards to kind of get my shoulders warmed up after doing the bike, which helps a lot just to like loosen everything up. And the bar is weighted. I think it's around like 30 pounds. I'm not really sure, but it's like a standard bar. So it's weighted. And then I do some like pull up. They're not even called pull-ups. You guys know that I'm horrible with names of exercises, but I just do these little shoulder exercises where I'm pulling the bar up, another way to kind of activate those muscles, and I do that directly right after. Then I give myself a break and then I go into pull-ups, which are always a struggle for me. Pull-ups and push-ups will just be those type of compound movements that are always going to challenge me. And I just work on them whenever I can just to get better, but I be struggling. But we're getting there. I think I could do about 8 or 9 max right now, but we're working on it. Now I'm gonna go into my bench press, which is something that I don't really do too often because I'm normally just doing push-ups, but when you switch it up a little bit and do things that you're not used to, it kind of like challenges your muscles. So right here I'm doing that, and I'm working on like a slow go down and then like quickly exploding up. So that's the type of tempo that I'm really trying to do for these bench presses. And I just have 15 on each side, some light, some light. Then from that I go into more shoulder movements, just doing those little shoulder raises. I do it out, and then after, as you'll see, I'll do it forward. And these just, they get your shoulders on fire. Like if your shoulders are not on fire by now, they're gonna be on fire by the time you finish with this exercise. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So then yeah, I do the forward, and I just superset it with the forward raises, and my arms and my shoulders are dead. So I just do it until failure, until I can't do anymore. Then I go into like these shoulder press with lunges, just to kind of focus on my balance and just my strength. And these things are pretty challenging. They might look kind of easy, but my balance is something that I'm really working on. So I try to incorporate little compound movements whenever I can. And I love these little like plate squat to plate push up thingy mabobs. There we go with the names. But these are also good for leg day to kind of like warm your body up, but it's also great for like a full body day, and it works your core. I feel like those kind of make my core tired. Then I go into more compound movements of a squat to push up, push through, whatever you want to call it. Squat to barbell raise. We're gonna get there on these names. But yeah, that's what I pretty much finish it out with. I'm pretty dead by now, and I just do this whole circuit 2 to 3 times, and yeah, that's my shoulder workout. So today I'm going to attempt to make my own mint mojito because I don't want to spend money on fills. So I already started brewing the coffee, but I'm going to show you guys. Just some regular mint. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm warming up my water right now, and I'm going to be brewing it the same way I normally brew, just like with my coffee in there. I actually put the mint leaves, if you could see that, like underneath the coffee. So I'm gonna be putting the hot water on top of there. See how that works. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna be using some oat milk. This is from So Delicious. So I'm gonna be using some of this because for my mint mojitos, when I order them at Phil's, I usually get them with oat milk. I know it's not gonna be necessarily, who is calling me? Y'all, I'm tired of getting all these spam calls. But I know it's not gonna be necessarily, it's not gonna taste the same, but we out here. I literally just warmed up my water in the microwave. Y'all, it actually isn't bad. Like, it actually tastes like, almost like it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Less frothy and creamy, obviously, but the taste is there. The most important thing.
Show my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and
Yeah, I don't know if it's just a summer thing, but I've been loving watermelon. Like, I already love watermelon. They're one of my favorite fruit. But, like, I think they're in season right now because these are just smack. Like, look at this. So the rest of my day is just pretty much going to be me sitting down here, editing some stuff, trying to get organized for the week because today is Monday. That's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I do need to do like laundry and cleaning and other, you know, boring type of stuff like that, which I figured I'm not really going to vlog unless you guys really want to see like a cleaning vlog or like another type of get my life together type of vlog. But yeah, it's just boring stuff. So I figured out in the vlog right here, do try out that mint mojito recipe. I'm telling you, it was pretty smack. And try out that shoulder workout if you're able to. I mean, you really don't need a whole lot of equipment to do that, just some weights, and you could kind of get creative with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. No, I don't like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Crash Bandicoot in the whip.